Okay, so your task today is going to involve a bit of an investigation with some 4-digit numbers. There's a rule that you need to know about that. You have to only use 3 of the digits from 1, 2, 3 and 4 to make your 4-digit number. It has to have 4 digits, so a couple of examples: 2124, 1124, but we are going to start with 4, 1, 3, 4. And at each stage we're going to write down how many ones there are, how many twos there are, how many threes there are, and how many fours there are. So this first stage we've got number 1. And the way we write that is 1, 1. There aren't any twos, so we're not going to write anything for that. We have one lot of the number 3, so we're going to write 1, 3. And we've got 2 lots of the number 4, so we're going to write 2, 4. On to the next step, we do exactly the same thing again. How many ones are there? There's 3 ones this time. We have one lot of the number 2. We have one lot of the number 3. And we have one lot of the number 4. Once again, we've now got 4 lots of the number 1. We've got one lot of the number 2. We've got 2 lots of the number 3. And we've got one lot of the number 4. I'll do it one last time and then tell you what you've got to do next. So now we've got 3 lots of the number 1. We have 2 lots of the number 2. We have one lot of the number 3. And we have 2 lots of the number 4. What I would like you to do is to carry on doing this until you get to a point where the numbers start to repeat. So you might have something that looks exactly the same for 2 consecutive lines. Okay, I want you to just write down what that number would be. You can submit that on Show My Homework. What I would also like you to do is to come up with your own starting number and try and see where you get to. Is the number going to be exactly the same? So would you end up getting to the same repeating number, or is it something slightly different? And if you manage to do that as well, feel free to submit that on Show My Homework as well.